Hi, this is just a quick video to talk about archived class teams. If we've archived your teams for the current academic year, you can still get back to them using the Teams interface. So you could come and click on this cog and then click on Manage Teams. Staff and students would see the same link there. And then you can see your active teams that you can get into today through the Teams interface. But you could also see your archive teams from last year or maybe even previous years. And if you click into these, they'll just open as teams. You can see all the content, but that will be read-only to the students if those teams have been archived. Some teachers might want to come in and restore previously archived teams or unarchive them. So for example, you might want to unarchive a Year 10 team which had been archived so that you can continue to work with it with your current Year 11 group. We recommend not doing that because that archive team will not be managed by us anymore, so that teacher would have to add students themselves if new students entered that Year 11 class. Instead, we recommend just using our class dashboard as a time machine and using that to travel back into previous years, which makes it a much easier way for teachers and for students to get back to their archive classes.